Hello, everyone. Welcome to Digital 360 YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into, Introduction to Information Security. Remember, stay informed and never miss out on our latest content. Subscribe now and don't forget to hit that bell icon to receive instant notifications. And don't forget to watch this video till the end. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about keeping your digital life safe, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Introduction to Information Security. Information security is all about protecting data, systems, and networks from unauthorized access, disclosure, alteration, or destruction. In today's interconnected world, where data is more valuable than ever, information security plays a crucial role. What is the importance of information security? Information is everywhere, from our personal photos and emails to sensitive corporate data. The importance of information security cannot be overstated. It safeguards our privacy, prevents financial loss, and defends against cyber threats. Let's discuss the key concepts. To understand information security better, let's explore some key concepts which we will discuss in the upcoming video in detail. 1. Confidentiality. This ensures that data is only accessible to those who should have access. 2. Integrity. It guarantees that data remains accurate and trustworthy, without unauthorized changes. 3. Availability. Information should be available when needed, without disruption. 4. Authentication. Verifying the identity of users and systems to prevent unauthorized access. 5. Authorization. Granting appropriate access permissions to users based on their roles and responsibilities. What are the common threats that exist around you? Information security is a constant battle against threats such as 1. Malware. Software designed to harm or gain unauthorized access. 2. Phishing. Deceptive attempts to trick users into revealing sensitive information. 3. Data breaches. Unauthorized access to data, often resulting in data leaks. 4. Hacking. Unauthorized intrusion into computer systems or networks. 5. Social engineering. Manipulating individuals to divulge confidential information. Certainly, we will discuss each of them in detail in the upcoming video. Protecting of information. So, how can you protect your information? Here are some tips. 1. Strong passwords. Use unique, complex passwords for each account. 2. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable 2FA wherever possible. 3. Regular updates. Keep your software and devices up to date. 4. Security software. Install reputable antivirus and anti-malware programs. 5. Education. Stay informed about the latest threats and best practices. So, what is the conclusion? In conclusion, information security is a vital aspect of our digital lives. It's not just a concern for businesses but for individuals as well. By understanding the key concepts and staying vigilant, you can significantly reduce the risks associated with the digital world. Thank you for joining me in this introduction to information security. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more informative content. If you have any questions or want to suggest topics for future videos, please leave a comment below. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.